Hey, 8th grade. Sorry I couldn't be in school today. I do hope you guys treat the guest teacher with the respect they deserve, as well as you use your time wisely, knowing full well that the trimester is ending, and you want to get in any and all missing work and or work that's due currently. So to that end, quickly walk you through what's going on for today. You'll see that it's all loaded on the Google Classroom, in the stream that is. And the first thing you want to do is you want to grab the checklist sheet. It's kind of like a task checklist sheet. The sub will have it. The guest teacher will have it. And just go ahead and grab one of those. First thing you're going to do for Friday is the New York Times Spelling Bee. It's the honeycomb game. Just record 4 words that you're able to come up with, and if you get more than 4, great. But it probably will kick you out once you start doing really, really good and successful. So get that on the beginning of the task worksheet. Next up, no news. But do head to Jognog next, as the task worksheet has you looking to go and record your scores for the quizzes that are responsible in your grade and in the unit that you're working on. So make sure that you go and record your top score. It'll probably be your best score. So you'll see that right there. Next up, if for 8th grade here, listen, you got plenty of things to work on, although a few of you may already be done with a lot of it. But please know that the chemistry packet is due today, Friday, and or when I see you on Monday, I will be collecting it and we'll be grading it and figuring out your score on it. It's going in as a formative, but you definitely want to use your time wisely so that you get a good 55 points worth of solid scored points here. So again, for the chemistry packet, you can use any of the Google Classroom postings on each one of the assignments. That's totally acceptable to use. And then use the resources if you need to, the internet, textbooks, things like that. That's okay. But do your best not to just go and sit there and copy other students' works from within the class. I appreciate that. Once that's done, we started talking about this yesterday, but this is this MML12 Balancing Chemical Formulas Alternate Worksheet. You will find this worksheet in the trays that the guest teacher has access to. Some of you even got it yesterday. It's the one where you're drawing molecules as well as trying to assemble cheese and meat cheese sandwiches and things like that. So just use the applet simulators that are posted on those Google Classroom forums, and you'll be fine. You'll find them right there in the assignment. Let's see here. You also do have your Jognog. So if you're done with your packet, you can move back into Jognog and finish getting those quizzes that you still need to taken care of. There are some extra credit ones that have been added. Some of those are MCAS ones, as well as some super quizzes. And then if you're done with your packet, you can start working on correcting your packet using the answer keys that are posted in Google Classroom. You'll notice that they're called the Chemistry Packet Clarification. Just grab yourself a highlighter as you're looking through your packet and the answer keys. If your answer's way off, give it a little highlight and then fix your answer, please. If your answer's close or if your answer's correct, no need to highlight, no need to change things. Maybe add or improve it, but definitely don't go and mark yourself totally losing points if your answer's pretty close and it just needed to be translated. So keep that in mind when you're working on the chemistry packet. I'll then show you how to score that on Monday. But then for those who are curious, the OB1 packet check-in, it's a quiz where you're allowed to use your completed packet. You can start working on that. It's called OB1. It's a quiz. And then if there's still time left, you'll notice that the Clean Room documentary has been uploaded to the Google Classroom stream, so you can work on finishing that worksheet and that documentary so we can turn that in and finally get some points for those efforts. So just a general reminder, please clean up after your group is all done, after your table's all done with their work right before the period ends. Chairs pushed in, books put away, supply bins and tape put back where they need to. If you're the last class, please put your chairs up. And always, please remember this task worksheet. There's 3 things you need to fill in the task worksheet. There was the New York Times Spelling Bee. There was the Jognog scores. And then at the very bottom, tell me which assignment or assignments you worked on and any one fact or anecdote that you can remember that you learned from having completed that work. All right? Take that task checklist and please put it over in the be over that side, over on the window side where the trays are over there. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Take care.